So triangle ABC in which angle ABC is less than 90 degree, acute angle. AD is perpendicular to BC. So altitude is this time inside the triangle. You have to prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2 BCBD. So here you will first apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADB, this triangle. So you will get AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now this can be also written as AD square is equal to AB square minus DB square, just by transposing the terms. This one you will mark as equation 1. Then apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADC, this triangle. So you will get AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Now from equation 1, we know that AD square is AB square minus DB square. So that you will replace in this equation. AD square will be written as AB square minus DB square here. Plus DC square is equal to AC square. Now here, this is the important step. So you have replaced AD with AB square minus BD square, and DC you are replacing with BC minus BD the whole square. So DC is written as BC minus BD the whole square. Then you will expand this using identity A minus B the whole square. Expand it and then you can cancel out certain terms and you will get what is required here. So here AD is given as the median of triangle ABC. Now by definition of a median divides the opposite side into equal halves. So here BD and DC, they are equal. So I can also write BD as BC by 2 or DC also as BC by 2. So this result you will be using for median. Then AM is perpendicular to BC. AM is given as a perpendicular. So you have to prove these three things. So for the first one, we will apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle AMD. This triangle AMD, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So AM square plus MD square is equal to AD square. Next we will apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle AMC. This triangle AMC. So you will get AM square plus MC square is equal to AC square. Now here this is the important step. That is MC has to be replaced with MD plus DC the whole square. So this will be, you will expand this using identity A plus B the whole square. You will get AM square plus MD square plus DC square plus 2MD into DC is equal to AC square. Now combine AM square plus MD square together because you know that it is equal to AD square. So this will be replaced with AD square. So AD square plus DC square plus this. You will get, now here DC can be replaced with BC by 2 because it is the median. AD is the median. So everywhere wherever DC is there, you will replace it with BC by 2 and you will get what is required. Now in the second part, you will apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABM, that is this triangle. So you will get AB square is equal to AM square plus MB square. Now here AM square from the previous one, it has been replaced like this, AD square minus DM square plus MB square. Now this MB is further replaced with BD minus MD the whole square. BD minus MD the whole square. Then identity is applied here. After applying the identity and simplifying, in the last step you will replace BD with BC by 2 again to get what is required. Because what is required is in BC by 2 form. So you have to replace it. Third part, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABM, this triangle. So we will get AM square plus MB square is equal to AB square. We'll mark it as equation 1. Then apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle AMC, this triangle. So we will get AM square plus MC square is equal to AC square. Mark this as equation 2. Then add both 1 and 2. You will get 2AM square plus MB square plus MC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Now you will replace MB with BD minus DM. So MB will be written as BD minus DM the whole square, and MC will be written as MD plus DC the whole square. Then you will expand both these terms using identity, A minus B whole square and A plus B whole square. So you will get 2AM square plus BD square plus DM square minus 2BD DM plus MD square plus DC square plus 2MD into DC is equal to AB square plus AC square. Now here we can combine these two, 2AM square plus 2MD square, 2 can be taken common, and we know that AM square plus MD square, this is nothing but AD square. So this we can see from the figure, AM square plus MD square is AD square. So we have replaced it. BD can be written as BC by 2 the whole square, and DC also can be written as BC by 2 the whole square. Then from these two terms we can take 2MD common, so we will get minus BD plus DC. But BD and DC are equal, so this entire term will become 0. So after simplifying, we will get to AD square plus BC square by 2 is equal to AB square plus AC square.